Okay, these are the bag racks. This is where you put all your bags. You won't take any bags into the lab. Okay, the door will always be shut. And you line up outside here quietly on one side of the corridor. Don't spread yourselves across, otherwise people can't get through. So you wait here quietly until your teacher lets you in. Okay, so these are the labs. I'll take you through some of the things. Notice the chairs were all under the tables. That's how you want them left. And that's how you should have them when you're doing any practical work. On each desk you'll find electrical sockets, gas taps, water taps with small sinks, bigger sinks, and then the same is repeated over the other side. Just take you through all the bits of apparatus and where they're stored. So here we've got test tubes and boiling tubes, broken glass box, spatulas, thermometers. Tubs hold deionized water, pure water, tissues, soap, taps, wash bottles for filling with deionized water, a draining rack for putting glassware on. And then in the cupboards we have trolleys with chemicals on. These will be acids and alkalis and indicators. In a big sink, underneath the big sink, we've got a brush and dustpan for tidying up broken glass and spillages. Measuring cylinders, big ones there, smaller ones there. Glassware trolleys. Retort stands. Tripods. Never put them away hot. Empty. Bunsen burners. Be careful, some are small, some are bigger. Lab racks, or Z racks, or test tube racks. Bunsen burners in that box. More retort stands. Clamps, bosses. These are burette clamps. You won't be using those. Heat mats stored under there. These chemicals sometimes used in the lab. Don't use them unless you're told to. Some more indicators. Under here we've got things like test tube racks, funnels, and these trolleys come out so you can have a little bit extra space. Okay. So we've got white tiles, dropping pipettes, stirring rods, gauzers there. Push them back and then close away. These things here are fume cupboards. Okay. Normally they're off, and these are the right flashing notes to have. If it starts making an alarm noise, press that button there if you're near it. Okay. Don't turn them on or off unless you're told to do so. This is a balance area. The balance is electrical. Normally we have them stashed here or sometimes on the desk. And then here we've got our standard chemicals that we use for most of the experiments that you might do.
At the end of the lesson,
Make sure you take all your possessions with you. Leave the lab quietly. Return to the bag racks. Put your stuff away and try and keep out of everybody else's way.